right, so we're going to assume this to be our armhole depth. This is the opening, this is the hole through which your arm enters on the dress, or from the dress. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to assume this part right here to be the armpit, and then this part right here will be the shoulder part, right? Divide it exactly into two. What I did down here is I have a total of about 15 stitches, right? So let's just dive into it. So at the armpit region, you would have measured how long the sleeve you want to create extends from the armpit. So this sleeve we want to create, I'm going to work with the short sleeve this time around, maybe a 2.5 inch level. All right, so for that I have to create a 5-inch long chain because I'm going to bend it back. Now watch this. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I have 20 stitches in all. If I fold this chain in two, I should have about 2.5 inches long. Okay, yeah, thereabouts, right? All right, so you slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch again to the next one, and then into the third one. So you would have used top 1, 2, 3 stitches, right, before you now walk into this other one. And as like I said, you're going to be adding 6 stitches to this one, and since we had 20 initially, this is going to be 26. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Slip stitch here, yeah, slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the third one before I do another chain stitches, adding another 6. We had 26 here, so this is going to be 32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Come back here to the base and slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch again, slip stitch again. Now you've noticed that we have, this is what we have, right? This is longer than this, which in turn is longer than this. So I'm going to keep doing this until I get to the middle point, which is the shoulder level, and then I will come back to us. I am here at the shoulder point of this armhole, yeah, and I have the last set of chains are a total of 44 chains, and that is because I added 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and got to 44. Now this is the center point, right? In order to have equal measurements on either side of the arm, all right, I'm going to repeat the process. So if I have 44 stitches here, I'm going to create another 44 stitches, and then I keep doing my minus until I get to where it's exactly this size. So let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, right? Same as the other one. And then I slip stitch here once, slip stitch twice, and slip stitch a third time. 44 minus 6, we have 38. So I'm going to have 38 stitches here. Alright, so 38 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. As usual, I will slip stitch into the next stitch, then the next stitch, and then the next. 38 minus 6 is 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Slip stitch here, into the next, and into the next. And next, 32 minus 6, I have 26, so I'm going to chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Alright, I slip stitch in 1, in 2, in 3, right? Okay, and finally 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So slip stitch here, slip stitch here, and if you notice, if you slip stitched here, that will be the last point where the first stitch started from. So I'm going to slip stitch into that, and then fasten off here and cut. I'm going to have to cut this. Now at the end of the day, this is the sleeve, right? We've succeeded in creating something that looks like this. So imagine if this was the arm, this is the armhole, like I said. You notice, see, the sleeve falls this way, right? See that? Sleeve falls this way and takes the perfect shape of a short sleeve. Look at that. So what you now do next, or what we did next, was to use the ribbed technique to join these chain stitches together. Look at that. It's a perfect sleeve. All right, so we're going to join these together all around to complete the look of the sleeve. All right, I'm going to use a different color of thread so that you'll enjoy the process.